What's up guys? Welcome to another travel vlog. In this video, we made it back to Miami from our 7-day cruise to the Caribbean, and today we're gonna do a little road trip to Florida Keys. It's actually our first time there, so I'm pretty stoked. I've never been there before. Sorry about the bad lighting here. I'm inside our stateroom still. It's kind of loud outside, that's why. So there's a view of Miami over there in the back, if you can see that. Quick little drive through, guys. Quick little stopover to buy some lunch because we have a 3-hour drive from Miami. Say hi. Alright guys, we made it here in Key West. This is our hotel room. My mom's inside the bathroom right now. I'll show you that later. My mom's gonna stay there, I'm gonna stay there. And then my family is going to stay on the other side. And then this is our balcony, a little patio out here. And there's the hut, bathtub, or a jacuzzi or something, and then the pool. All right guys, so we drove at least like 5 hours just to get here. Really tired now, so Baroka to the rescue. Baroka, baka naman. It's currently, what time is it? 7 o'clock at night, and the sun is still pretty bright. We just parked our rental car over there. We're in Key West. Or Key West or Florida Keys? Ikaw, kay kuya mo kay ka? Is it Key West or Florida Keys? How could you not know? You know everything. Bruh. Okay, so we are in Key West. Sorry guys, I don't really know where we're at exactly, but I'm gonna show you as much as I can. So guys, this is the long line just to take a picture of that landmark over there. I guess this is a pretty famous landmark. It says, let me show you. There's a cruise ship all the way over there. Almost our turn, guys. Oh wow, did you see that? We're next in line. The hotels here, you guys, they're like kind of small. This is a hotel. It looks like a house. My god, there's a rooster over there. Did you hear that? Also, that's a hotel. It looks like a huge house, but they're all hotels. And we are currently at, I don't know how to pronounce that, Duval Park. We're gonna walk that way. And that's another hotel. I think there's a little pier over there. Let's go. We're gonna go peering into the sunset. Look. Oh, there's a beach cafe over here. Looks pretty nice. So, I'm a little biased because we just came from the Bahamas. The beach here, it's nice. A lot nicer than the beach in California. But since we came from the Bahamas, it doesn't look too good. Don't bash me. my god, guys. Look, I'm so freaking wet. It's so hot here right now. Anyway, it's so crazy to know that that place, the 90 miles, it's insane beyond imagination, knowing that we're only 90 miles away from Cuba. So I'm gonna go in here, guys. I'm gonna go get some souvenirs. We'll see what I can find. So we're now looking for a restaurant. So this is where we're having dinner. Me so happy. So finally having Asian food after a week of being in the boat. They're pretty busy here. Luckily, we got a table upstairs. After dinner, we're stopping by here to get some ice cream. Hopefully it's good. Check this out. This is what I got, cookies and cream. Good morning, guys. It's now the next day. Just walking around here at our hotel's property in the back courtyard. Let me show you. It looks pretty nice, actually. It's like a swamp, but nice. And I don't know if I already mentioned it to you guys. We are staying here at the Marriott in Key West. I'm gonna go check out their lobby right now. I already went there yesterday, but I couldn't really vlog because there were so many people. Let's see if I can vlog there today, or at least just show it to you somehow. You can also hang out here, you guys. This is right next to the cafe. The cafe is right inside, and then you can just drink your coffee over here. So they do have Starbucks coffee inside, but definitely doesn't taste like Starbucks. So our room is actually just right over there. This one and that one. Guys, check out the gas price here. $3.54. What the F, California? We're like almost double. Now back in our room, guys. This is the current view right now. I was over there earlier, that area.
I told him medium. They gave me large.
Why they give you